Here at Sock Club, we make ordering custom socks easy. We're the sock experts, so you don't have to be. All you have to do to get started is send us your logo. If you have branding guidelines or additional design direction, great. If not, our team will take care of it. Once we receive your logo, you will be connected to one of our sock experts. They will walk you through our different options so that we make sure you get the perfect sock to fit your needs. Our sock experts will then work with our in-house design team to create sock designs that are completely unique to your brand and project. Once your designs are complete, you will receive a link to quickly and easily look through your options and provide feedback on your designs. All you have to do once you have an approved design is order your socks through our online cart. Our sock experts send your order to our mills in North Carolina, where we make your socks. Our combed cotton, nylon, and wool are all sourced from the highest quality manufacturers in the United States. Then we ship them to you. We deliver our socks all over the world and notify you each step of the way so you don't have to worry about tracking or shipping timelines. The best part of our job is seeing how happy our socks make our customers feel. Our sock experts are standing by to pair you with your perfect sock today. We look forward to making cool socks with you.